Welcome to Watercolor by Scarlett. Today we're going to talk about dry brushing. Dry brushing is a really useful technique. Do this on with a brush you don't care about. We're essentially drawing with the brush, but the brush is mostly dry, which is why it's called dry brushing. So we get these lovely streaks. This one, I'm going to try this one too, and it's going to do it, not only does it do the dry brushing the way you'd want dry brushing, but it actually creates lines naturally, which is pretty neat. So let's say I want the lines to be perfect. Isn't that awesome? Like, talk about simple, right? So for this guy, I could do this with a single brush and it would just take me forever, but it wouldn't matter. Was if I put, another thing you have to be careful about here is that there's so many hairs that you will go on top of what you've done really quickly, and then you will cover the lines. So now I might come back with a good brush, and still using very little water, so it's technically dry brushing. Come in and make a few super tiny lines that are unique. Also, this is such a small piece that the lines need to bend into each other really quickly. You pretty much have 1 or 2 or 3 straight lines in the middle, and then on each side of that they're bending already. So the brush that I just showed you was kind of too big, but it did lay down a really good base. I could also lift things out, and I could obviously add a lot more in, but what I want to talk to you about today is dry brushing. So that is what dry brushing looks like. So we worked on this, or there was a tutorial about this just recently. I'm going through multiple colors, and I want to see if I can just okay, and if I don't bring them down too far, then I think it will work a little better. If I really brighten that up. You guys see those lines? Yeah, so this is dry brushing and nice and dry, and then this is how I would use it on a piece that I'm working on. Thanks for watching. I'm Scarlett, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Toodaloo!